Hi guys, welcome to Knowledge Mania. Today we will discuss about the absolute path and relative path. Also we will discuss like copy and paste and cd command as well as and more many thing on this video. Okay, so let's start this video. So press the Alt F2. Okay, when you press the Alt F2, so it will be show this command, enter the command. So this is a similar like that Windows R. So type here genome hyphen terminal, enter. So once you enter, it will be show here this genome terminal. We have already discussed about the later video. So so firstly this thing, so you know very well, we have already discussed previous video. This is called a prompt, Linux prompt, and every command is typing next to prompt. So I'm just doing here ls. Firstly you need to check the where are you right now in a Linux terminal, pwd, and check the root. And right now you are in a slash root directory, but you want to navigate to desktop. So how can you do? Command is that cd command. Right now you are in a root, so you need to go desktop, enter. So it won't come because of the reasons desktop, when you go in a desktop is no such a file or directory. So it's meaning of that desktop file is not, but now you are confused. That previous video we have already navigate to desktop, but it won't happen. It happened, but now it won't happen. What happened? Previous video we have discussed you need to navigate root desktop. So command is that cd desktop, but now same I am just typing a cd desktop command, so it's not accepting. So what is the reason? The reason behind that, d is a capital. If you know aware not aware, so just click type ls commands and desktop is there. So cd desktop tab. When you just des and tab, so it will be clear your commands. So ls, so there is a no files and directory on this path. So I want to create abd1 abd2. So it will be create, and I want to create a taste one, taste1 taste2. So two folder and two file is created using a touch and mkdir command. So we have revised a previous video like of how can we use the rm command. So rm abd1, when you type, so it will ask that prompt remove the regular empty files. Yes. So once you press y, then it will be removed. So it's very problematic why I'm just typing a yes. So one more flag is that rm space hyphen vrf and abd2 enter, so it will be removed. We discussed v is called verbose, r is called recursively, and f means force. If you're not aware, just use the rm man rm, enter, and you will see here f is called force, v is called just wait back. Yeah, r is called recursively, remove the directory and that contains forcefully, and then yes, v is called verbose, explain what being done. That's it. So now I'm just I want to create a 50. Firstly I want to remove everything on this desktop. So now I want to create a 50 files. I want to create a 50 files on using a single command. So touch 50 abd open bracket close bracket, curly open bracket, close bracket, 1 dot dot 50, enter, then it will be created. If you're not check ls-l, so you can see here abd 50 1 to 50 file is created here. Okay, so this is a single command. So lots of the problem is that interview, this is the interview question as well as. So we will discuss like in this thing on like a cell scripting chapter. Okay, more thing on cell scripting, python, how can we use, how can how I'm using like a cell scripting for my current companies, for for a more manually work, avoiding of our more manually work. So how can we use this thing from, we will discuss the later video, like upcoming videos. Okay, so I want to remove everything. So command is there, file is common, so vref abd and star, abd and star, after that it will be removed, you can see. Otherwise you can use also rm via hyphen vref, but this is a very problematic when you have just type like a star, so every content it will be demo under the desktop. Okay, so now we need to copy and pasting, how can we use the copy and pasting. Okay, so I'm just going to in a place and computer, places and computer. Okay, now you need to go, firstly you need to check that this is a very importance, this is store into like a slash directory. If you want to check, so slash enter pwd. Now I'm just navigate to slash directory and I want to check the ls command, so it will be same here output, which I open now in a graphically manner. So right now I'm just typing ls command, it's showing here. So this is the directory etc home lib64 mnt prog run, this is a directory. So this is a very important directory, so we will discuss the every contents on a next to next video. Okay, we will discuss this thing as well as, because this part is a very important. What is the use of the bin, what is the use of the day, what is the use of the home, etc etc. So right now I'm just going to home automations, and here there is a no files, so I want to create a new folder abd. Now I want to create under the abd one more thing, abd2. I want to go under the abd2 and make another files abd3. Okay, I want to go under the abd3 abd4. Okay, so right now parent directory is a you are like assume this is a parent directory is a home. No, that is parent directory is a slash, and under the this is a child directory, child subchild directory. There is a home, so you can see home and ls command, there is a one of automations directory. Okay, if you're not aware, ls-l enter, so it's a showing here d. When you check the d commands, so d here, so it's a directory, and directory like a color is a change here as well as. So you can see when I'm just creating a abc files, so it's a files created, and when I'm just putting ls-l, so files color is a black, and here there is a no hyphen, only hyphen meaning of that this is the files, and this is called directory. Okay, so now I'm just going to automation, there is a one of the abd under the automations, so ls is called abd. Okay, under the again I'm just going to abd2. ls abd2. I'm going under again abd2, then is called abd3, is abd3. So here again I'm just checking abd4, so there is a abd4, abd4, and under the again abd4 there is a no files. So when I'm checking ls-l, there is a no file, so I want to create a files abc1. So sorry, touch abc1. So right now I am in a home automations abd, abd2, abd3, abd4. So this is navigations. So right now again I want to go cd slash. So you can see here I'm going to navigate to a parent directory like a cd command and slash. Slash meaning of that I'm going to into directly to parent directory. So relative path and absolute path is called like whenever you are relative path. Firstly I'm just talking about the relative path. Okay, so what is a relative path? So every path using a without slash is called a relative path. So an absolute path is called like a absolute path is using from slash is called absolute. So right now whenever I'm just going to like a slash home automations abd, abd2, abd3, abd4, enter. So this is the absolute path. This is called absolute path. Okay, you are directly to go into that destination directory using a single command. Okay, so this is called a absolute path. And absolute paths beginning with the slash, using a from slash, okay, is called absolute path. And this not like actually meaning, but like I can say like that you need to go into destination path using a single command, so its meaning of that one is a absolute path. Now I want to go I want to show you like what is a relative path. So relative path is called slash home automations abd, abd2, abd3, abd4 and ls. So it's called a abc1. There is a this is the relative path. Okay, I think so it's a clear. If you're not clear, so I will show you this thing as well as. So I want to use I want to check that files destination file which is include, or right now I'm in a root and desktop. Okay, but I want to check there is any files created on like a destination file from stay here, not going, I'm not going to on other directory. So command is there ls slash home automations. So here it's showing a abc3 abc1, this called the absolute path. And right now I want to go slash home cd automation cd abd and cd abd2 cd abd3 cd abd4 and ls command. It's showing here abc1, same output like that na. Like a depend on this is I can say this is a junior engineer, a junior system administrator, and this is a senior administrator. Okay, so I also say like how can we create this thing as well as from automations under the ABD, like ABD4. So this thing I show this thing on like using a graphically. Now I'm just creating on this folders via commands. Okay, so I'm just stay into root and desktop. I don't want to go into home automations part. I want to create on that files directly to from here. So command is simple mkdir. You aware of this thing when you where you will need to create home automations. Which file you need to create a taste I want to create a taste directory. Under the taste directory I want to create a one more taste one. I want to create a taste 2. I want to create a taste 3. I want to create a taste 4. Enter. So now it's showing like there is a no such file or directory. mkdir home automation taste 1 to taste 2. There is a no automation like a no such a file directory. So again I'm going to home automations. So why I'm generating this kind of error, cannot create a directory, no such a file or directory? Because of this you are creating a like a taste4. This is a command is meaning of that directly taste4 you are creating this command. Okay, I will show you mkdir home automations. Home automation is already there, but I want to create one more directory. It's called a taste. So here it's created, but here is it's meaning of that this is the automations is not created. Automation is a by default is there, it's not created. Last command taste, it's a created. But why I'm getting this error on this command? Because of these reasons. Because of this reason, home automations is home automation taste and taste 3 everything is there, but taste 4 is not there. Taste 4 will be created, but they are like a generating error, no such a file or directory. So it's meaning of that something is missed on like a this directory is not present under the automation. So that's why it's not creating. Same like that home automations, it's already there, but I'm just creating a taste. Okay, so that's why. So what we do here, so one command -p is there. So I will show you mkdir enter is a parent. No error if exit make parent directory as needed. So -p is there, no error if exiting. Make a parent directory as a needed. It will be create a parent directory. There is a no dependency. So now I'm using again this commands and I'm using a -p enter. So it will be created. If you want to check, just go to taste 1, taste 2, taste 3, taste 4. Here it's a created. Home automation taste 1, taste 2, taste 3, taste 4. And you need to go, and this is absolute path. Home automation taste tab. I'm using only tab. I'm not typing anything. ls-l, it's not created. So I want to create a one more file. It's called abd.txt. Enter. So it's a created here. Now you are in a like a home automation taste 1 2 3 4. You are in a taste 1 2 3 4 directory, but right now you want to delete every contents under the abd4s. But you need to make sure which content is the content is showing into under the abd4 directory. So how can we check home automations abd abd2, abd3, abd4, ls, enter. So there is a one file is called abc1. I want to delete. So how can we remove? -vrf slash same command, home automations abd. Now you are doing a thing, one thing, or you can see here there is a home automations abd, abd2, abd3, but directly it will be consider the last of the directory. It will be remove the this content as well as, and as well as under the contents. If you're not sure, so I can go here. See, there is a no directory under the abd, because you need to create, firstly I'm just creating abd4. Firstly you need to create a here what command you are missing, abd4. So this is a very difficult, like a very important command whenever you are typing a vrf na. So this called abd4. I won't it won't happen, because right now I'm just putting a control C command, so it's commenting. So I want to create a one more file under the inside the. So wait. So now I'm just going to, I want to go and navigate into abd4 directory, and there is a one file. So I want to delete only on one file under the abd4. So command is a simple same command. So command is a rm-vrf home automations abd, abd2, abd3, abd4, and every contents I want to remove under the abd4. So you need to put the star and enter. So it will be show there is a abc name file is a remove. If you want to check the simply command, you need to fire here ls-l. So this is a thing we need to check, like are you aware of this thing, what is the difference between GUI and Linux here? Okay, now you need to go copy and pasting. So firstly I want to create again I'm using a home and n key from your keyboard. So there is a using abc.txt, otherwise abd.txt. Okay, so now you can check the ls-abd.txt. There is a one file is created under the abd, abd2, abd3, and abd4. So I want to check there is a how many file is created on like automation test. There is a one more file is called abd.txt. I want to create a one more files over the there. Touch taste.txt. So again I want to check ls, there is a abd.txt and taste.txt. I want to remove abd.txt using a absolute path. So you need to navigate again and command is there rm hyphen vrf. Okay, and I'm using a abd tab and enter, so it will be removed. If you want to check again, so ls hyphen l command. Okay, so ls hyphen l, there is a taste.txt file under the okay, so I want to copy and pasting. Right now I'm in a root. I don't want to go over there automation taste 1 2 3 4. Okay, I want to copy and pasting from copy from tst.txt file to that abd4 directory. So which command you are using? cp. Always you are using a hyphen vrf command. V is verbose, D is recursively, and F is called file. But there is a no meaning as of now because we have a like a copy that contains of the files, not a directory. So we are not using if we are not using R, so it's okay. But I'm just using for base practice purpose CP home automation taste taste 2 taste 3 and taste4. Which file? Taste.txt, where you need to copy and pasting. This is the copy command. I have just copy and I want to paste from over the second home automations abd abd and enter. So there is a files is copy taste.txt to paste here taste.txt. So this is a copy and pasting command. Okay, so again I will show you. I want to navigate over this thing ls hyphen l. Copy paste here not working, I don't know why. Okay, home automations abd 3 4 enter. Okay, there is a one file is called taste.txt. Now I want to copy abd.txt and paste into taste4 via graphically. You need to go here abd abd2 abd3 abd4, and here you need to right click and copy, and now you need to go taste1 taste2 taste3 taste4, and here you need to paste. That's it. So this is very difficult. Yeah, why are you going to under the directory? So this is a very simple command na. One command is happening here. So again I am just checking ls hyphen l. This is a like home. So I want to remove the taste.txt file again. Okay, so now there is no files under the inside the taste.txt, and I want to remove as well as taste. There is a abd.txt file is also there, mkdir. Sorry, rm vrf. Okay, so now there is a no files, like a single file. There is a taste for taste files, and abd file is under the abd4 folder. Okay, so I want to move that contents. So command is that mv command. I want to move is cp is copy, and pasting like a cut is move command, mv command. So I want to move home automations taste 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 and taste. I want to move this taste.txt to home automations, so it will be removed here, and you need to check home automations abd 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 and ls-l. So here it will be show taste.txt files. So there is a single command. So I don't think so this is a work will be mv command, it will be work without. If you want to copy and pasting from directory, so you need to paste here. Firstly you make sure the where are you right now, home automation abd abd2 abd3 abd4. So right now I want to create a abd5 as well as. Now I want to move abd5 to taste. So where, how can we check, how can we do home? I'm using an absolute path only as of now. I know I am in a abd4, but as of now for a better purpose I'm using a if okay, I'm just using a like a relative part only for this thing, mv, for your like purpose, understanding purpose. mv abd5, where you need to move taste 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 taste, again ls command. So here it's like a showing, here it's showing a like a abd5 is a move. But when you are like copy and pasting, when you're copy and pasting, I want to create a one more files, one more directory here, abd6, where abd4 under the abd6 I have created. I want to copy abd6 to where, automation taste 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 is omitting directory. Omitting means meaning of that there is a directory is one copy here. You need to fire this one commands of flag hyphen r. So now it's a copy from over there. cd home automations taste 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 and ls. Here it's showing abd6 and abd5. So this is a very simple command. So if you are right now you are in a taste 4, right now you need to go one step back. Now you are in a taste 3, you need to go one more step back, taste 2, you need to go one more step, taste 2, taste 1, you need to go again. So this is the commands, one step you need to go back the dot dot. Again I want to go home or taste taste. Now you are in a taste 4, now you need to go two step back. See, I want I had taste 4, I had in a taste 4, right now I'm in a taste 2, two step back it will be happen. So again I need to go here, you need to say taste. Again I need to go, again you need to check home. Again I want to go taste back, there is a okay. Again I want to go, again I want to go, it won't happen because there is a parent directory, it won't work. So same, again I want to go taste 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 taste. Okay, and now you can check the taste 4, but now you want to go three step back. See, three step back. Again you need to go 4 step back. Now you are in a you are in a taste 4. Now you are in a taste directory. So this is cd command. So if you want to go directly to slash, so it's command, there is a command cd space slash, enter. So here you need to check cd slash. Now you are in a slash directory, but you want to go slash automations. So okay, this still sign and automations, enter. So it will be go that home directory, home automation directory. I want to go I'm just entering the cd, enter the cd, there it will be go into current home directory. pwd, there is a root, there is a root directory. So I'm just checking who am I, just it will be show root. Right now I'm using a root login. So I hope you understand my video. This is very critical. I know for a beginner it's very difficult to understand, because you need to do practice from your side as well. As this is very easy to understand from someone is teaching you. Yeah, you got your knowledge and got everything. But what happened now, you need to do from your side as a practically too many times. Firstly, you know what, how can I'm learning linux very well, because that time when I learn linux, that time I installed the dual boot. One is the windows 7 machines and second one is my CentOS machines. So I'm just using a CentOS for a copy and pasting movie. That time we are obviously teenagers, so that time copy and pasting and a lots of the stuff we are passing using a CentOS. Once we are make bootable pen drive. So that time I have good knowledge. I don't have a knowledge in a linux. I have good knowledge in a windows. So that time I had learning lots of the time, lots of the thing. Because of that I had installed the CentOS on my physical, my personal laptop. So don't do like this here as of now. But you have a very good knowledge now, you have a very good a VMware and VirtualBox is there. So you need to install the water na. Why you need to copy and why you need to wasting of your personal laptop. Reduce your risk na, at least. Okay, I hope you understand my this concept of what we are doing here. A next video we will discuss good stuff. Okay, thanks for not watching Knowledge Mania.